Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I'm just following up on some of my BOSE Earbud videos. I have one up there about the earbuds not charging. These ones are fixed. I got these refurbished, but I want to talk about that process of getting them refurbished. The first thing you're going to want to do is just confirm that nothing that works on their website, some of the steps they have you do to reset everything, make sure none of that is taking. Once you've confirmed that, they're dead in the water, they're not charging, they're blinking red and white no matter what you do, your step's going to be to go on the website, which I'm going to show in a second, and enter in your serial code. But I want to show you is how to find that serial code. So once you have your earbuds, your BOSE Earbud Sports, you want to take off the rubber earpiece, and then if you look on the back side of this, you're going to see a little QR code, which I'm hoping I could focus there. You're going to see a little QR code, and then you'll see there's a 4-letter or 4 numbers, little serial number there. So that's yours. Now, when I did mine, only one of them took, and I can't remember which one it was. They said to check the right one. I think it was actually the left one. The serial number took. But make sure you check both because they're both different, and one of them might work. Now, if that doesn't work, then it's saying that you're not within the timeline to actually get these serviced or have them send you a new one. They won't send new, they send refurbished. So that's just another key. But I got these ones and they work great. I think they actually work better than the other one. So there's definitely something wrong with these BOSE Sport Earbuds when they put them out. So let me show you how to use the website. So what I did is I just Google searched BOSE Sport Earbuds not charging, blinking, and the first thing that comes up is this site. You want to make sure you're on the BOSE site there, and you're using that. And then when you click into that, you're going to go through this, and they're going to have all these different steps. Make sure you check all of these steps before you go and do anything. And then when nothing else works, you want to go all the way to the bottom, click on this, click here to start service, and then this is where it's going to ask you for that 4-digit code. So once you put in the code and submit it, then it'll take you through the process of actually refurbishing this for you and sending one out to you. It took about maybe a week and a half for me to ship it to them, and then them confirm they got it, and then send the new ones out. So within a week and a half, I had a brand new pair to use. So if you have any questions, leave them down below, but this is the way to go to actually get a refurbished pair or to service your BOSE Sport Earbuds. And I'm sure a lot of you are going to go through it. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Helps me, helps you. Thanks.